So, dear students, good morning to everyone. Last class we have learned about how to hold the mouse and mouse actions. Single click or left click, double click. Then we have came to drag and drop. Then right click also we have learned. Come to the page 49. 49. Fill in the blanks. Checkpoint. Filling the blanks. We use the, see, two options are there, left and right. Button of the mouse for left click. For left click, we use left button. Then dash. Two options are there. Click, double click is used to open something on the monitor. Double click. Okay. We can see a list of things to be done in the computer by dash click. Left or right? Right click. A list will come when we click the right button. Then say drag and drop is done using dash mouse button left. This is your page number 50. Mouse of a laptop. We have learned here the mouse we use in desktop computer. Now come to where we can see the mouse in a laptop. Laptop has a touchpad. This is the touchpad. Okay. Touchpad is known as use the mouse. We can move our fingers on the touchpad. We can move the fingers on the touchpad to move the pointer on the screen. The pointer will move on the screen. Touchpad. This one is your touchpad. If you move your fingers, the things will come. The pointer will show it on the monitor. We place our finger on the touchpad as shown in the picture. See, shown in the picture. So, what are the parts? See, this is the touchpad. This is your left button and this is your right button. So, this is totally about laptop. Now, come to the page number 50 exercise. Tick the correct option. Which of these is used to pointer the things on the monitor? Which of these? This is a printer. This is a speaker. Mouse is used, so tick mouse. Which of these select and moves things on the monitor? This is crayons. This is mouse. This is keyboard. So mouse. This is also mouse. Which of these is the mouse pointer? Mouse. Which one is your mouse pointer? Yes, this one. This arrow mark is your mouse pointer. Tick. 4 number. Which of these help to select an item on the monitor? Which of this? Left click, right click, double click. To select an item on the monitor, we need left click. Two fingers are there. Left click is needed. We can open something by double click, left click, right click. We can open something by double clicking. So, double click. True or false? Right T for true, F for false. A mouse has two buttons. Yes, mouse has two buttons. Right T, true. One is left button, another one is right button. The mouse pointer is an arrow. Yes, true. See here we have ticked that now. So, it is an arrow. Shape of an arrow. True. The mouse pointer helps to move the mouse smoothly. False. Mouse pointer does not help the mouse to move smoothly. It is the mouse pad. So false. We can open something by clicking on the right button once. If we click on the right button once, this is left and this is right. If we click on the right button, the least will come. The list which is in the computer, that will come. It does not open anything. Double clicking is opening. We can drag and drop object by double clicking. We can drag and drop by double clicking. No, we have to select and move. Then when it is done, we have to leave the button. So it is false. C number, match the following. Open something. It is to open something, it is double click. Open a list of things, it is right click. Select an item, if want to select something, it is left click. D number, answer these questions. Write three things we do on the monitor using a mouse. See three things, point at things, select things, move things. Up to page 51 we have done. D number 1 questions I have given you. Another class I will give you other questions of number D. 2, 3, 4, 5 questions are there. Next class we will do that. So complete this one and write it in your notebook. This exercise. Which one? True or false? Match the following and first question answer. Write down. This is your today's notebook work. Complete and send it to me. Thank you. Bye.